Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sounds and vibration. As you can see here, we've got whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls or for the notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtones for incoming calls, and as you can see, after tapping on it, we've just been transferred to the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, here we've got the silent option, so after choosing it, your device won't notify you about any incoming call. And here we've got also the plus icon, and after tapping on it, you will be just transferred to your own files, and if you will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and let me listen how the particular ringtone sounds, because obviously we want to check it before setting it, right? So let's tap on it, and thanks to this you will be able to hear it and decide if you like it or not. So if you, for example, would like to set the dreamscape just like me, all you have to do is to make sure that this option is marked and get back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about any incoming call. Obviously it will work the same with the notification sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.